Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the NCAA March Madness Live app. So let's get started. So to fix that you have to follow this easy steps. So press and hold it here, just look at I button. It will open the app info section of the app. So when you will just go here, just go to the storage, click on clear data, just clear the existing data. Then open the app again. If it's work, then fine. If it does not work, just check for an update. Go to the Google search bar and you can text search for the NCAA app here. Download the latest version of this app and it will work on your device. So by this way you can do it, and you can let me know any question if you have related to this uh, app in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.